The benefits of working with a venture studio. A venture studio like Taazaa builds startups by providing initial teams strategic direction and capital. Venture studios can offer software development talent, sales expertise, marketing resources, HR infrastructure, and legal counsel to budding startups. They become equity partners and co-founders of the startup, so they are closely involved in day-to-day operations and strategic decision-making. There are several advantages to working with a venture studio. For one thing, startups get invaluable access to team track record of building successful businesses. With this team to guide them, founders avoid common pitfalls and make more informed decisions. Venture studios also provide initial capital and operational support. It allows entrepreneurs to focus on product development and growth instead of getting bogged down by operational tasks. Since venture studios have pre-existing infrastructure and support systems, startups can launch their products or services faster. Building a startup from scratch is inherently risky. By absorbing some operational burden and providing guidance, a venture studio helps reduce that risk and increases chances of success. Securing funding is often one of the hardest parts of launching and maintaining a startup. Venture studios have established relationships with investors and a financial network, giving startups a better chance of ensuring funding. Startups under a venture studio umbrella can also leverage the studio's network of contacts, potential customers, partners that allow opening up new growth opportunities. If you are an aspiring entrepreneur, explore the possibility of working with a venture studio like Taazaa to launch your business. You can learn more on our website at taazaa.com.